So I'm working on this VIZIO E550i-B2. And there's a lot of problems going on with this particular model. This is the second one I've ran into. It's fairly easy to take apart. I've been having this problem a couple times. But you will run into a situation like this where you'll get the blue, black, gray screen where you'll be able to see it with the flashlight. Most likely your main board's still fine, but when you look at your driver board, you're gonna see this connection right here that connects to your main board, and you'll notice when you take your 4 screws out, right here at your power point, see your solder connections are moving, so it's halfway making connection and halfway not making connection. So on the other underside of this board, your solder connections are broke. And like I said, I got the board out, and just like I suspected, there's a so that I can focus in a little bit better here. These are bad solder connections right here. You see the movement in that particular board. So this is probably the main cause for that. If you have that blue, black, gray screen with the input showing up in the background, your driver part is causing this connection to come apart. So I'll just clean this up real good, get some more solder on it, maybe replace the driver board just in case, because it may have caused issues in the long run. But I'll keep those boards just in case. That's it. Hopefully this fixes it. So I was able just to get a little bit better picture while my soldering gun's heating up a little bit. You can see the separation and all those points right there. See how it's moving. But yeah, that's definitely an issue with this TV. That's that E550i-B2. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to just reseat these solder joints real quick, and we should be back up and running. These are some real fine connections right here, so I'm going to be careful not to bridge these connections. And if you do, you can always wick it out. So it ain't over to the fat lady's things on this one. But this will definitely save a lot of people a lot of money and a lot of frustration when it comes down to ordering parts, trying to do some troubleshooting, especially with this model. Like I said, this is the second one I've actually ran into. Sorry, I got off camera there for a second. Damn it. So this is what I was talking about, wicking. I want to keep a separation in between those two. They probably all serve the same purpose, but what am I to say? Alright, so we got that cleaned up, fixed up, and it is not going anywhere now. So I got the back off still. This is the TV, and there's the main, the driver, and the power board. That's the power board I just reinstalled. This is actually a TV for a buddy of mine, so I'm not gonna hurt him too bad on the price. But let's, sorry about the camera. But let's see what we got here. Sorry about that little delay there, but we got it going. It's back up and running now. I had forgot to plug in the power cable back when I put the power board back in, so yeah, that's what take your time, I guess. Alright, but there it is, no signal. Just wait for my receiver to plug in, we're good to go. Thank you for today's class, and don't forget, Pitch Perfect. Alright, sorry about the lighting, but James Brady, this is your fix here. Thank y'all. We are good to go. We got volume, we got sound, we got picture. Yes.